What are some good substitutes from Leyland Cypress? I know they have problems, but I want the same look. And this is Sue from Germantown, Tennessee. So a good substitute for Leyland Cypress. All right, so what do you think, Jessie?
Well, my first thought was an arborvitae. I've got a little baby here for you. Has the same look, it's evergreen, it's native, doesn't get super huge, grows pretty quickly.
Yeah,
also maybe an eastern red cedar.
Yeah.
They're gonna get pretty big, but they're both very trouble-free plants.
Yeah.
And I love both of them.
I think
you were
they do
talking
well.
about a few cultivars.
Yeah, so for the arborvitae, a couple that I know they grow well in this area would be Emerald is one, Green Giant is the other one. But yeah, the Eastern Red Cedar is something to consider. Japanese cedars, you consider those as well. And then there's some others, just depending on the look, what you really want. I'm thinking about there's some verbena. Viburnum.
Viburnum, yes.
Yeah, viburnum actually, could serve as a, if you're using them for a screen.
Right.
Right. So there's some viburnum that I think it might work in that area. Some hollies. I just thought about.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Sorry.
Foster holly, is one that I thought about.
I was going to say inkberry is another one. Okay. It's a native option, and it kind of depends too how tall you want it.
Yeah, how tall you want it.
So
right.
they didn't say how tall they want it. The Leyland Cypress obviously grows really fast, which can be a problem.
Right.
So I think looking into how tall you want that kind of privacy area. So
yeah, do a little homework on that. But yeah, again, some hollies, arborvitae, the cedars, there's some different options there. And let me address this about the Leyland Cypress. The reason why we don't recommend it, and I'm saying we as the Extension Service, is because of a disease, Ceridium canker, right? So that's why we always tell people don't plant a monoculture of the same plant material, because if one goes out or goes down, it's hard to replace them at that same size, right? So, we want to stay away from those monocultures, right? We want your lawn, to have a diversity of plants, right? Not like the farmer's field. So to speak. So yeah, that's why we've actually taken it off our plant list, because of Ceridium canker.
Okay, so maybe add a couple of the options.
Yeah, I think those will be good. So thank you, Sue. And we do have a publication at our extension office about screen plantings. So go to uthort.com or come to your local extension office. We'll help you out. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.